what I'm saying? Y'all, I ain't gonna play no game today, y'all. We finna grill up some shit, cook up some shit. On live, chilling up. Already, what's up with my bro? We gotta get this live back popping, bro. Say, share this live, bro. We gotta get this channel back popping, my bro. You already know, bro. Let's get the baby back popping, bro. Much love, bro. Be safe. Pop out, bro. Say, I'm on this grill, bro. You already know, bro. Say, I want the haters to know, hey, we finna get this grill going, bro. No cap. What's up with it, man? We gonna get this grill going, bro. You hear me? Let me see. Let me put the grill on it, bro. My camera a little bit blurry and shit, but say, bro, we finna get this grill going. Matter of fact, I know how to do it. Let me flip the strip on it. You know what I'm talking about? Flip the strip. There we go. Yeah, y'all see it now. Oh, oh yeah. We can get these pork chops on this grill. Finna get this wood chip smoking, y'all, like a chimney, y'all. Yeah, we ain't playing no games, y'all. No cap, y'all. I told y'all we finna get this grill going. Yeah, you did. Yeah, we ain't playing no game, bro. Yeah, my camera a little bit blurry on the other side. But say, we ain't playing no games. You hear me? Grilling. We grilling, baby. We ain't playing. Y'all see the season on it? Yeah, we ain't playing no game. We ain't playing no game, man. My camera a little bit jacked up, but yeah, we ain't playing. Hey, represent everybody. We finna get the live back popping, y'all. You hear me? No cap, y'all. But yeah, y'all already see the Cooking with Love channel, y'all. Yo, look at that, y'all. Check me out. We ain't playing no games, y'all. You hear me? I gotta put my handle back on. But say, y'all, we ain't playing no games, y'all. You hear me? We ain't playing no game, guys. All my bros, be safe. Pop out, man. We ain't playing no game. Yeah, we can get the channel booming. Just like the Cooking with Love channel, y'all. You already know. Yeah. We good, y'all. No cap, man. We just, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah. What? That's what's up, my bro. What? Say, y'all better show love to my bro channel, y'all. No cap, man. My boy saying, what? That's what I'm talking about. My boy say, yeah, what? Say, bro, on the mission. My boy is on a mission, y'all. No cap, man. Say, y'all, show love to my bro channel. No cap, man. You did? Yeah, we going. It's going down, y'all. No cap. It's going down. Appreciate you, bro. Show love, thumbs up. It's going down, y'all. From Dallas, Texas, man. We ain't playing no game. We showing love, pop. It's easy. It's all about showing love, y'all. So I'm telling y'all, say, man, you better say, come to the best live, y'all. All my channels. You hear me? Come to all of my channels, y'all. No cap, man. It's going down, y'all. You hear me? It's showtime, y'all. I'm telling y'all. If anybody new on this channel, y'all better come on with it, y'all. You hear me? We gotta get this channel back popping, y'all. You hear me? No cap. Watch this, y'all. We finna have these haters made. We finna be popping, y'all. Non-stopping, y'all. Oh man, I got some shit. We cooking. We cooking, y'all. No cap, man. These haters finna be mad. Yeah, bro. No cap, man. We finna get all these channels rocking. 4K coming. Then 5K. You hear me? We ain't playing no game, big bro. You already know we the best channel, bro. You hear me? Whichever channel I pop out on, we the best. Period. Cooking with love and more. Dallas, Texas. You know what I'm talking about? What? Guns and music and more, man. We popping. You hear me? Say, they better catch up. You hear me? They better catch up, man. We the best. Well, say, bro, hey, on my end, it look like it's blurry, but say, bro, I'm gonna make it pop in the way it goes, man. Say, man, it's going down, bro. Appreciate you, bro. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Appreciate you. Number love from Dallas, Texas, man. That's how we gotta keep it popping, man. Everybody show love, man. No cap, man. Go show love to my bro channel, man. No cap, man. Yeah, fight in the hole, fire up. Say, y'all, it's showtime, man. We cooking today, we chilling today. You hear me? We cooking today, chilling today. What's going on? What's wrong? Y'all hear me? Look, y'all, look. Y'all see the smoke? We chilling today, y'all. No cap, man. Y'all better come to the bitch live, y'all. No cap, man. Say y'all. We ain't playing no games, y'all. Look. We got the chimney. We got the little chimney. We got the little chimney, y'all. We got the little chimney, y'all. You hear me? Yeah, it's a little blurry, but it's all good, y'all. I can't. Oh, well, go Spider Pig, man. We ain't playing no games, man. Say y'all. Go show love to my boy. Spider Pig is in the house, y'all. We don't play no games, man. We stay popping out. We ain't no one hit wonders. You hear me? You know what I'm saying? Y'all see me better on this, so say y'all. Look at the grill. Look at the grill. Do you? Oh Lord, look at it. Oh.